So on this vlog, somewhere different for a change. Really nice to get out. It's quite quiet out today. So I've come to Cwmystradllyn. Well, what it is a set of waterfalls just outside Dolgellau. Bit of a fast to get here, trying to find it, but I'm here now. So I think it's like a 2-mile circular walk. So yeah, so we're going to shoot some waterfalls this afternoon, and yeah, so never been here before. I think these are probably the largest waterfalls in Wales, probably England. So yeah, we shall see. So yeah, it was pretty difficult to find this place. It's not signposted well at all. Took a few wrong roads. Right down the bottom of the gorge down here, I can see some lovely falls, but pretty difficult to get down there because it's so steep. So I just hope I'm coming to the right waterfalls. Or well, I think I am anyway. There's another name for it, a big name, I can't remember the name of it, but it was Pistyll something. So I just hope I'm in the right place. What's also good, it's quiet. Not many people about, so that's a good thing. So there's some wicked waterfalls over here. I don't think that's the one. There's also another set of waterfalls around here, but oh, look at that log just going in there. I just love that log. I think I have to be careful here, but wow, that looks beautiful. So I'll probably try and get a shot over here, then head round the corner there and get a shot, but I don't think these are the main falls, but they look amazing. So with this shot here, I just love this big log that's coming across the scene here. So I put that right at the bottom on the lower third. I've got these rocks with the moss on the right of the frame, and these beautiful falls just drop in there on the side. Now I put a 0.9 soft grad to bring down the sky. It's looking quite nice. So then you've got the falls in the background. Just bring your eye right down here to the log that's in the frame there. Now on my ISO 100, I've gone at f16, and I'm getting a 3-second exposure, which is about right for this. But absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't think these are the main falls. I think the one that I'm looking for has 3 sections. So I'll photograph this. I'll try getting closer and see how it goes. But beautiful. Yeah, these waterfalls are just beautiful. So I've come closer here to the waterfall, and what I've gone on this shot is like a vertical shot. I've got the waterfalls coming down from the left of the frame and sort of curls round down to the right, down to the bottom of the frame here. So it's a nice image. Got a set of trees up there. I've got a polarizer on for this. I've put a 0.9 soft grad and a 0.6 because that sky is really bright at one patch. So I've tried one composition at about 3 seconds. I've also done a bracket just to see which one really works the best. out of this, but this is a really beautiful waterfall. So I'm going to head round the corner to see what the others are like, and I'll pop the images of this up now, but fantastic. Right, so I can't get around these falls over here, just can't get there at all, so maybe there's a path round to the other side, who knows, but right, just gonna press on and head up this way, and I'm pretty sure them falls I'm looking for have to be up here somewhere. They were great, so well happy with that. So we're gonna head up this way now and have a look for the next set of falls. So I've come to, I think it's called Ynys-y-Pandy Slate Mill, just outside Tremadoc. Got this old slate mill. So I've come here really for sunset. I've been inside. Fortunately there's no cloud in the sky, it's just blue, so when that sun drops I might get a good shot. But I've got a composition set up behind me. I've got the light on the wall and the end of the mill sticking out there with the beautiful mountain range in the background there. So yeah, I've set up for that. I've taken a couple of shots inside with the see how it goes, but I could do with a wide shot from over that way, so I might actually fly the drone just to see if we can get a shot. So yeah, earlier on I thought I was at Cwmystradllyn. It wasn't, it was called Pistyll Cain, so I wasn't at the falls I thought I was, but nevertheless they were beautiful falls and I'm glad I went there. So yeah, so we're going to end it here tonight, watching that sun go down and hopefully get a beautiful shot over here. So that's it from this vlog from I think it's Ynys-y-Pandy slate mill. So yeah, I've not been here before. Beautiful views. So yeah, really wanted to get the drone in the air and get a shot from over there, like a nice wide shot, but the drone's playing up. So yeah, so that's the end of this vlog. If you did like this, then please do subscribe. Yeah. So yeah, until next week, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye. Taxi! Taxi! Oh, cheers!